Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today, and let me share with you guys how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's go to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, yesterday we had a beautiful long trade here. We were expecting a pullback around this level, at this level. So we had a pullback this morning, and as soon as the price hit this level, bank few PPs. And at the New York session, we have this short trade here. And let me share with you how I analyze in intraday and help my traders to bank few PPs. And you can see here, okay, so as you can see, this was the trade from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we were looking, technically we were looking a pullback after this breakout as we had yesterday. Let me make my pointer here. Okay, so we were looking at this level. I'll pull back at this level. So most safest way I explained to my trader, if the wedge is going to break, then you keep taking a long trade here. As you can see here, it's almost price developer double bottom here and beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous high level, that's exactly the same level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to consider tightening your stop loss, or you can bank few PPs. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed sideways market. But looking into the 4-hour, price developed a double top here. So explain to my trader, look for this breakout. And in intraday, you can see here, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, we had small pullback. So we had a short trade at the New York session, only few PPs on EURUSD. But we had amazing trades, especially on the yen pair. Let me share with you the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar yesterday, we had a beautiful long trade here. As always, we were expecting after this, let me share with you. We had this yesterday beautiful long, and we were expecting a pullback at this level, which we had nicely. Price developing intraday at this bull flag pattern. We had this beautiful long trade London morning session. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. As you can see here, okay, so this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. We had this breakout, and after this breakout, that was the breakout. And this morning I explained to my trader, that's what we do, explain the price action in real time. If the price is developed, you can see here. So we were expecting a long at this level, as mentioned in the analysis. You can see here, such a nice beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, that's what I explained to my trader. As soon as the previous high, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on pound dollar, and we are still waiting for to break out this. You can see it's sort of like a bull flag pattern is developed. Let's see how the market is going to do it. I will let you know tomorrow. Let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we haven't seen any big moves, as you can see here, but based on the 4-hour, as explained to my trader, we have price nicely respected. So let's see if we can get a short trade here. And we had this small pullback short trade here at the London morning session. As you can see here, we explained to my trader, look for pullback, because the price has broken this previous low and expecting a pullback. We had this pullback, only few PPs, and afterwards at the New York session, we are still waiting for this pattern to be break, and then we're going to trade accordingly. Let's see how that's gonna go. It looks like it's gonna break short. We'll let you know tomorrow, guys. And let me share with you the best trades we had at all the yen pair. We had an amazing trade, guys, especially pound yen. Beautiful trade, guys. We were long and still taking, most of the traders are banking amazing pips. Let me share with you guys the whole day we were enjoying it from last night. We had it beautiful. Let me share with you guys from, yeah, this is the analysis at the Asian session, triangle pattern breakout. And at the London morning session, that was the beautiful trade. As you can see here, we had this Asian session breakout. After the breakout, as always, first priority would be pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback at this level. And after this pullback, explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, we have announced all this analysis as soon as the price hit to the green fib channel. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And once the price hit target, develop another pullback, and that's what I did, another analysis instantly. I said to my trader, if the price failed to maintain this level and break this level, then we're going to take a short. Otherwise, we will consider this one as a pullback. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, based on the momentum, beautiful pullback long trade here, another breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here such a beautiful trade on pound yen. We had a beautiful on euro yen. You can see here, keep taking a pullbacks long here, and that was the you can see the yen weaknesses. We had a beautiful breakout on dollar yen. That was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this was the pretty straightforward. You can see here this London morning session breakout. Price is still going it. Target is a previous high. So you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we refine an entries and exit in intraday, and bank profit every day. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live market, through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I train my traders with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Or if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.